Hello, welcome to Kap Industries. This is the install video for a Renault Megane RS from 2019 on, so the Gen 4. The tools you'll need to install this fire extinguisher is a T40 Torx bit, a ratchet, and just a couple of 8mm spanners. The bracket comes with the hardware required to install a fire extinguisher of your choice onto the bracket. In the video today, I'll be installing the one that we sell, our Kap Industries twin latch fire extinguisher, 1 kilo. The method of install is very easy. You remove the two front seat bolts, install the extinguisher cage and extinguisher to the bracket, and install and put the bolts back in. It's very easy. Let's go do it now. Then attach the extinguisher cage to the bracket and then tighten them up with those two 8mm spanners you've got. Once the extinguisher cage is installed onto the bracket, then slip the whole bracket inside, put the bolts back in, and you're done. Once it's all installed, slip the extinguisher into its cage and do up the clips. There we go, all done. Please note though that if you are a very short driver, please install it on the passenger side. It can fit on both sides of the vehicles because it will interfere with the seat movement by only about 1 inch.